Happy spring, you guys. I hope you all are blooming from within and enjoying the new weather. In this video, we're gonna together romanticize spring summer. It's literally my favorite time of the year. I am a summer girly, so yeah, I hope this video is fun for you all. I'm in the middle of getting ready for this Sundowner event, and like I have curled my hair and all. I just have to do my makeup like a celebrity owned brand, and I'm so grateful that I'm invited for that. And I'm so excited because it's gonna be like a sundowner, sunset by the beach kind of an event, and I'm so sure that it's gonna be so summery and spring like, which is why my outfit is also screaming that kind of vibe. Wait, I'll show you all. This is the outfit that I'm wearing. It's like a nice yellow color ruffle dress. I'm so sure that this dress is gonna be perfect for the event. Let me put it on. You guys, this is how the dress looks on me. It's so cute, like, oh my god. I'm yet to do my lips, but here's how my makeup looks. I've done it very beachy and peachy, like that's the vibe I went for. I am ready. I have never felt so pretty. Like, this dress hugs me so perfectly. It's from a small business on Instagram. It's called Rosalind by Demi, and like I am obsessed with this dress. Also, my makeup turned out so pretty too. Like a makeup like this along with like loose curls, it's gonna look really pretty. I'm so happy. I am carrying my bag. Where is it? Oh yeah, this is the bag that I'm carrying. You all know I got it from Singapore, and I'm matching my earrings with like the hearts on the bag. Yeah, that's how much I think about my outfits. Anyways, I'm gonna get going now, and yeah, I'll see you at the event. Hi you guys, it's the next day, and right now I'm going out with this one. Okay, also I did not tell you all like about yesterday's event. It was actually really good. The only issue was that it was so hot. It was melting hot, like everyone was dying of the heat. But I met Kriti and she was so sweet, and we shot a reel. You all can check that out on my Instagram. It's @muskanrawat. Yeah, so that's about yesterday. And today I just got ready and we have a few things planned for the day. So first we are going to this.
Your manager is calling.
Oh. Hello?
Hello, hi, where are you?
I'm home, but I'm leaving.
I know someone's there at the door.
Oh, someone's there at the door. Tell them to, you have made a debut on my vlog. That yeah, you call him and tell him to come like downstairs. I'm working with this brand. I'm not gonna tell you all. No,
Oh, sorry. Top secret.
but like yeah, I've used that brand a lot. Like I purchased it. I made you also use it, and now I'm working with them.
Oh, I know it.
Yeah, okay. Okay, anyways, so like I was saying, the plan for the day is that first we are gonna like go to this book exhibit. You all know that I need like some nice coffee table books and magazines, and I'm really hoping I find it there. This one also needs like design books, so I think it's perfect that we go there. So we're gonna go there. Then we're gonna go to like a nice lunch place. We're gonna have like a nice lunch because I don't know, it's been a while I've not gone out for lunch. So that's gonna happen. And then we'll see, we'll just do cutesy spring stuff. And yeah, I'll keep you all updated. Right now, let's go. We are literally standing in the middle of the road because I wanted to shoot this and it was just shaking. Yeah, like the footage was shaky, but okay. Oh, you all did not see my outfit. This is the top that I'm wearing. Super spring-like, and these are like my cargo pants. This is my jewelry, some rings. This is like my bow ring. I got this from Shop Weekend Lane. This is out of stock, so I'm so sorry. They're my everyday earrings, and that's it. Makeup is super simple today. Love it. We are having, okay, this is my boba tea and that's Anik's. Mine's strawberry, oh my god. This looks so good.
That's mine.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Taste test. This is the first time, by the way, I'm having this flavor. So, fingers crossed. It's good. It's sugary, which is exactly how I like it. It's good. It's very strawberry like. Perfect for summers. 8 on 10, I think. Yeah. There's one option.
No, I like the previous one. Shimmer.
It's gonna be a super late lunch. What's the time? It's 3. And we've come to this really nice cafe. It's called Earth Cafe, and I'm so excited. I've been here, but like I went to a different branch of the same cafe, but this one is so much more aesthetic, and like I'm so hungry. I know exactly what I'm gonna have.
And you haven't finished your boba.
Yeah, I'll just drink there. Let's go.
Careful, it'll fall.
Don't know if we'll find a place or not. We've not booked. We have not reserved. Sunlight. We had a plan of having like a gelato also, but I'm so full and it's so hot, and like a gelato would make sense, but like I'm full, so I don't know. I should apply my lipstick again. This is what I'm wearing on my lips. It's like a lip tint balm from DM Beauty. Look at it. I love it. It's my new favorite, just by the way. It gives that glass sheen like finish, and it's like so nice on my lips. Like the texture is so nice, and this is not a paid thing, you guys. I genuinely love their lip products a lot. Looking cute. This is my scent of the day that I'm reapplying. It's Prada Paradox. Yep. That's it. We are so full, but never too full for Targola. Hi you guys, good morning. You guys, I just took the shower, I'm out, and before I end the vlog, I actually wanted to show you all what books I got from the book fair that I went to, and it's like a huge box. A few of the books are like so random and I just got them because they were looking cute. But like, yeah, I just got them from the coffee table section. I am assuming that's how it's supposed to be. But okay, let me show you all. So first is this nutcracker, and I don't know, it's not even Christmas yet, even though my Christmas tree is up right now. It's like a bit 3D and that's why I liked it so much. And then I got this book. It's called The Story Tracy Beaker. Again, a very random book that I think I'll be reading this summer. Then this is called Positive Thinking and it's made of like handmade paper, which is like so pretty. Like, look at it. It's gorgeous. It also says who is it to and who is it from, which kind of is creepy, but it's okay. Then I got another Christmas book. Now this one is called Christmas Carol. It's a basic Christmas Carol book. Then I got this one. It's called Pride and Prejudice. I saw the movie and I really wanted to read the book as well, so I think it's gonna be cute. And then again I got this one just because it was looking very pretty. It's called The Brunch Bible and it's like a very random small mini little book. Oh, then I really want to go to States and I saw this book. It's called Get to Know New York. I'm assuming it has a lot of stuff about the city, where to go, hotels, shopping and everything. It's like a guide. So basically this is just me trying to manifest my travel plans. That's it. Oh, then I got this book. It's called Happiness. It's a book that leads you to the path of happiness. And yeah, it's I think it's about Dalai Lama. I got, oh my god, you guys know I wanted a magazine and I found this Vogue magazine and I was so excited. I literally jumped. They didn't have many magazines, but I'm glad. Like, I found this one and like, oh my god, I am so excited to just, you know, flip through the pages of a magazine. I will buy more super soon. Then you all know I'm in my baking and cooking era and I found this cookbook for girls. It's so pretty, you guys. Like, look at it. And it has like very easy to follow 50 recipes for gorgeous girls. And I'm assuming I am one. So then I got this random one. It's called Max and Katie's Egyptian Adventure. I don't know why I got this. I'm sure it's meant for like toddlers or kids, but it's fine. And lastly, I got this book. It's called Home Files and I only got it because it would look so pretty as a coffee table book. That's what it's supposed to be. So yeah, I'm so glad I went to that book fair. It was cute. It was like a nice spring summer thing that I could be a part of. And I hope this vlog was fun and nice to watch. And if you have made it till the end, please drop a nice flower emoji for me. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.